All the articles and news channels are talking about the high made by gold yesterday, that gold is back on track, gold is bullish. Yes, gold made a high of 4890, there is no doubt, but nobody is talking about the trap laid by the sellers, because we can clearly see after the high of 4890 gold came down. As we all know, the weekly closing is important and market closed below 4850, market closed around 4830. So those who took buy position around 4860, 4870, considering it as a breakout, were all trapped. So my dear friends, if you are looking for trading opportunities for Monday, then yes, you need to understand few things that we are going to discuss in this video. So first and foremost, let's look at the daily chart of gold. So on a daily chart, okay, as we all know, okay, nothing much is happening because the volume is not very high for the last few days. Gold is running in a range, so we can see gold is trying to recover, but obviously if we compare this with these, then we can clearly see that the buyers lack the strength. They do not have the power. Overall, the trend of the market is bullish. So if you're a positional buyer who is planning to hold gold for the next couple of months and years, then obviously you should not think much about whatever is happening here. Gold is always bullish for you. But if, as I have already discussed in a previous video also, that if you're a swing trader, if you're looking to hold gold for the next few days, then obviously this is not the right time. And that's why, okay, we have been discussing that as a day trader you should strictly stick to the levels, means level to level trading. So here also we can see a similar story here. The daily chart is undoubtedly bullish, but market lacks the strength. This is the 4-hour chart of gold, and we can see a similar story that gold is slowly crawling. But if you look at the hourly chart, we can see that more or less the market looks sideways. Yes, market broke the previous high of 4870, but the chart is not very convincing, because as a trader, okay, it is easier for us to trade when the market is in a trend. If market is bullish or bearish, okay, it becomes easier for us to make money. But when the trend of the market is not very certain, not very clear, it really becomes difficult for us to trade. And we have a similar story because the fundamentals are also not in our side. Okay, because if you look at the articles, you can see gold prices edge up after Iran's announcement. Gold is up by 2%. Gold hits 4-week high. Gold jumps to 1-month high as Iran says Hormuz completely open. Okay, so articles undoubtedly, okay, they are pointing that market should be bullish, but here this trap laid by the institutions, okay, are going to be, okay, dangerous. Okay, so we need to be careful. Now let's discuss the trading opportunities. So the market opening is going to be very important, because at the time of market closing there was good amount of selling pressure. So we need to see where the market stops. Okay, if you are looking for a good trading opportunity, then I personally feel that we have a good buying opportunity around 4800. Why? Because the previous resistance will be working as support, and moreover 4800 is a psychological support. So there is a good chance that if the downside continues after the market opening, okay, this is the support. So if market takes support, we can look for a buy position. And remember the dotted lines here, okay, they are from the previous video. As I already said in the previous video, that these two dotted lines were minor levels where you can look for a sell, but when the news came out, they did not work. Okay, it was expected. Okay, so on the middle of the chart, okay, technically right now we do not have any strong support level. If market takes support around 4820, that's a different story. Okay, because 4820 is also a minor support here. Means after the market opening, if the volume is not very high, okay, then we can expect a bounce around 4820. But if market falls with the same intensity, then obviously 4820 won't be able to provide support to the market. In that case, we can look for support around 4800. Means 4820 is a minor support and 4800 is a major support. Okay, so it depends on the market opening now. How does the market open? And if market goes up from here, then obviously, okay, uh, we can assume that market is trying to continue the upside. Okay, the bulls are back on the track again, but still we need to be careful. Okay, if you're a scalper, yes, for strict scalping, okay, you can look for a quick selling around 4850 area. Okay, if you see market is showing price rejection from above. But otherwise, after the market opening, I will just suggest you to observe the market, because sometimes, okay, you need to observe the market and then, okay, take a decision. And right now gold is in a very sensitive spot. Okay, so it is better for you, okay, to wait and observe, okay, instead of taking a position, because we are traders, not gamblers. So observe the market. If you see the market is going up, okay, sharply, that's a different story. But if you see the market is struggling, small candles, means volume is low, then you can look for a quick sell on 4850, and we can expect market to remain like this. Okay, and if market goes down, as a day trader, okay, we can look for a quick buy around 4800. Okay, and if you're wondering, Avilash, what is the next trend of the market? Nobody knows. But on the chart of gold, okay, if market remains like this, we can assume that gold will be choppy or sideways on Monday. Everything depends on a market opening right now, and after the market opening only we can uh, look for the next step. But as of now, okay, we can just hope that market opening will be a normal one, not a very violent opening, and we can expect to make some money, okay, if market takes support around 4800 or 4820. Again, I'm repeating, right now the trend of the market is still very not clear, because the articles are saying that gold is bullish, but here we can clearly see that gold fell from 4890 to 4830. This is a big one. Okay, and if gold comes down more, then market will be sideways. It doesn't matter what the article says. Overall chart is bullish, there is no doubt, but we are retail traders. Our stop losses are tiny, not huge, isn't it? So let's wait for the market to open, and then only we can okay, we'll get a clear picture.